Today I want to show you how to multiply a binomial times a binomial, or you can think of it as simplifying if you have two binomials with no operation between them here. And I don't like to use the FOIL method. You might have heard the FOIL method before, first, outer, inner, last, but I'm going to use this method called the area model. And it's actually a really simple method, and we're going to start by placing 5x plus 1, in this case, our first linear factor here, and on the side, and then x minus 4, I'll place up top there. Then I'm just going to simply multiply this one times this one, so we'll do a 5x times x, so that's going to give us a 5x squared. And you can think about it like 5 times 1 gives you 5, and x times x gives you x squared. And then I'm going to multiply 5x times negative 4. That's going to give me a negative 20x. Then I'll multiply 1x here, or x times 1, and that's going to give me a 1x. And then I'll multiply 1 times negative 4, which gives me a negative 4. And the reason why I like this method is because usually what will happen is these diagonals end up being your like terms. So if I were to combine these, 1x minus 20x, that gives me negative 19x. So my final answer, I'm going to write my 5x squared first, minus 19x, minus 4. And that's how you multiply a binomial times a binomial. Now I'm going to leave a link to the reverse method of this using, I like to call it the reverse area model, where you have to take this one and factor it to get this. If you're looking to try to find a video on how to factor, make sure to check that out, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.